Hello guys, I'm starting our new day here in my city. It's too hot. There's no one cloud, and I'm here with this first job for today. Quadcopter the made the owner was flying, and the quadcopter crashed over a tree, and now it's here for being repaired. The car to the owner, his quadcopter is with the arm too bad, I believe. All the arms are too bad. When you have a quadcopter and you need to fly, starting the fly, and the motor is shaking a lot, it's because the arm is poor. You need to be careful and need to turn stronger this arm. Well, I will repair this part because there's no condition to fly without security. There's nothing here. There's no security. Look, the major part here. And I need to make something for left this quadcopter perfect again for fly. Let me see the system listing together. This motor seems damaged. I need to see. The gimbal is perfect. Let me see if we have conditions for calibrate. This is a step so important before flying. Here I'm seeing that calibration is poor. It's possible to see calibration is poor. Now I think that will be perfect. But I need to repair the gyroscope for left this quadcopter really safe for flight. Gyroscope is not good. The quadcopter now is trying to find GPS signal. Well, let me see if have conditions for motor. No condition. Too bad. Worse. Terrible. Perfect. I will repair. The arms are too poor. There's no condition for fly with this damaged arm. Let's go. All the drones are flying machine, and if you don't have the perfect force for maintenance this quadcopter flying, you will lose your quadcopter. There are a good relationship between perfect flight and strong and force of all the parts in your quadcopter. If the root is poor, your quadcopter is poor. If the root is strong, like a tree, your quadcopter is safe for fly, and you will have some good moments flying. Here, I turned stronger all the four arms. I've made a good wash here inside for left this quadcopter better than a few moments when I started my job here. But about the perfect fly and safe fly, you need to be careful. And in your own house, it's possible to see if anything is out of sight in your quadcopter. Well, now I will see if this quadcopter is good really for fly. I will turn on, start all the motors like a flying. Let's go. I will see if this quadcopter will fly with secure. An accident! An accident! An accident here. I left this quadcopter close to my face. Oh, an accident. Well, it's the first alive. No, this video is not alive. The repaired motor is good. All the motors are good too. I have a problem here with this propeller. I need to change. My face is hurting. Look. Look here. My first accident in this English channel. Oh, look. Okay, I will turn this propeller and then I will fly again. Okay, I'm here again after being hurted, kissed by this quadcopter. Now I think that it's too good here. Now it's safe. I think. Let me see. And I will turn on this quadcopter again. I will make the calibration first. Perfect. Now, I would like to await the GPS signal for start. On a minute, I will make with GPS signal. First, see if this quadcopter is really good for fly or not. But I think that today is too bad for bring some good signal. There's no cloud, but the time I think that is not perfect for fly. Well, I need to first I need to protect my life. Hold a minute. I won't be hurted again. I won't be hurted. Oh, there is GPS signal. Yeah. 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 Well, like Homer, The quadcopter will think that I am Homer Simpson. Okay, let me see now. What hurt me? Oh, it's perfect! Look, it's perfect! It's perfect! The battery. The battery is bad. And the quadcopter was trying to come back to home. Look. But now the quadcopter is perfect. And there is no way for hurt me again. Perfect. Well. Okay. Hurt by the quadcopter. Now I will left the battery charging for finish this job. But the quadcopter now is really safe. When you have a quadcopter and any arm is not strong and there is some move, this arm is not safe. It's not secure for fly. All the four arms needs to be strong for hold the motors, the strong force of this motor. Because when the motor is turning around, it is shaking. And if your arms are not strong, for hold this motor and don't let this shake. Your quadcopter fall down. Okay, adios, friends. An accident. An accident. An accident. An accident.